Is your Chevy key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a lost connection. First, replace the battery, usually a CR2032. Pry open the fob carefully and ensure the correct polarity when installing the new battery. If that doesn't work, try resyncing the remote. The process varies by model. For example, on a 2024 Malibu, manually lock the doors, then press and hold the unlock button on the fob for 10 seconds. Check your owner's manual for specific instructions. These two steps resolve most key fob issues. If battery replacement and resyncing don't resolve the issue, check for a blown fuse. Start by locating the fuse box, usually found under the hood or dashboard. Before checking fuses, always disconnect the vehicle battery to prevent electrical shorts. Check the body control module or remote keyless entry fuse, typically rated at 10 to 15 amperes. Replace any blown fuses with the correct amperage rating. If these steps don't resolve the issue, especially in newer models or after software updates, it's time to seek professional help from a Chevy dealer. They can diagnose software glitches or electromagnetic interference and reprogram the fob using specialized software. Remember, attempting advanced DIY fixes can brick the fob.